Hey everyone, today we introduce NR House located in Jubilee Hills area of Hyderabad, Telangana. It belongs to Niroop and Roopana Reddy, who are also the architects of the house. Let me give you quick specs. Spread across a plot area of 9,400 square feet, this 5-bedroom house has a built-up area of 10,200 square feet. Designed with a very rich and exclusive material palette, this is one of the rare houses that demonstrates luxury and is also a platinum rated green building. If you want to know more details about the approximate project cost, floor plan dimensions and materials, you can become a member on our website buildofy.com and download the full PDF ebook. The link is mentioned in the description below. Our members also get to watch a premium video of the architect walking through every space like the living room, outdoor deck, the son's bedroom, daughter's bedroom, basement and the home theatre. Till then, I hope you enjoy this video.
Sustainability was always very raw and exposed and all. So we wanted to actually try why cannot luxurious homes be sustainable. So this project is NR House. This is my own home. That's why we named it NR House, Niroop and Roopana. This project is located in Uphill, Jubilee Hills, one of the premium communities in Hyderabad. So this site was on a little high altitude, and then the site was actually about 50 to 60 feet downwards from the main road. We have three sides. We have about the GHMC park surrounding, very old park, and the site is about 1,000 square yards. It's an odd shaped site. This is 40 feet road, and the orientation of the plot is north. Initially, we had to zone this site because we had a lot of tapered edges and the site was not rectangular. Being in Hyderabad, we need to follow Vastu. So the first thing we did was to cut the site as per Vastu, correct it as per Vastu, and then probably make it more rectangle. So the first zone here, this was used for parking. It's a covered thing for parking, and then you have an entrance, and then the main lawn opens up. This is the main home, and then we have servant quarters here, and then we have some vegetable garden here. We have a small lap pool, size about 10 feet by 30 feet. We are a family of 4, and then my parents and my in-laws stay with us periodically. So we thought we'll have a 5-bedroom home. So we thought we initially had a formal living room, family living room, formal dining, and then family dining. 2 bedrooms in the ground for the parents, and then 3 bedrooms on the first floor for master and the kids. And then on the second floor, we thought of having a gym, home gym, and then a small lounge and a covered sit out. So we had the home theatre in the basement of the home. When we want to do sustainable and luxurious, we thought, okay, let us do concrete ceilings and then use good marble, plush marble. Use brass, little bit of brass. The tones were very simple. It was wood, brass, marble, stone with concrete. So these were the design philosophy which we started to design around, because we always do luxurious homes. So we wanted ours also to be a luxurious one, because we like to live in luxury, at the same time not compromise on sustainability. So ground floor, we enter here. This is the main lawn, and when we have a side entry here, we have the main family pool. This is the formal living, and then we have a large family living, and then we have the seating, we have the television here, and then the next challenge was we had a level here, And then how to treat this step. We didn't want to make a regular step or a regular thing. We tried with the natural stones. My landscape architect Kalia, progressive from Auroville. So then we took the shape, and then my landscape architect suggested why not have one standing stone there in the center of the hall, which would be a focal point from all sides. And then I said, let us continue this focal point all over the home. Like then we had 2 talking stones near the pool. Most of the garden furniture is with the natural stones, carved out of the natural stones. We have a nice water body below the main stairs, which is again a single piece of monolithic stone, and then there are again small boulders overlapping to it. And then our main design brief, as I said, we wanted 2 bedrooms in the ground floor, one for my mom and then one for my in-laws. Then we have a central hall. It opens up to a nice cantilever deck. This is about 15 feet cantilevered. It cantilevers onto the pool. And then we have very slim metal stairs going up. Behind the steps we have a powder room for this floor. So we thought we'll have one regular kitchen and we'll have another staff kitchen outside the home. So our kitchen is here. And then we have a store, and then this is the dining. This is the formal dining where you overlook the greens. Here we have created a niche to have a tree. This is glass, so all the views. This is full park. All this is the very old 60-70 years old park. We oriented our house such a way that we went to the back and the neighboring house was in the front, so that we can capture the maximum views. So my house starts actually where the neighboring house ends. Me and our landscape architect have decided not to use too much vegetation. So we just picked about 5 to 6 trees where we wanted, and then planted them. We wanted to be clean and more spacious. We actually designed home that I don't have openings this way, because I was designing this home. I thought, okay, let's not, both of us will not have privacy. So my ventilation I have taken from here, from back, and from the side, the park side, and from the front. So moving to the first floor plan, we have the stairs coming up here. So you land here, and then southwest part you have your master suite. The master suite is about 1200 square feet. So we have master bed here, and then a small tuck-in garden in the toilet, and then we have separate cubicle for shower and water closet, and then we have a twin wash basin, and then we have a large walk-in closet. So above the servant quarters we have taken a garden which is becomes a private garden to the master bedroom, and then we have a small water body with a nice tree, outdoor jacuzzi here. And then when it comes to the interior theme of the master bedroom, we wanted a theme of green, so dark green. So the bed and then the study table, and then a couch, and then a small puffy, and all that is in green. So we have a large graffiti wallpaper on the back. It was customized by us. This color went into the walk-in closet. So we have green leather all over the closets, and then tinted glass. This floor we have another 2 bedrooms. This is a daughter room. You want a walk-in closet and a separate closet area for our accessories. This is the toilet, and then we have an open kind of water closet and wash basin. Shower is closed. Then we have a walk-in closet here. So this becomes her bedroom. She has an L-shaped window which opens up to the front view, front lawn and the road. She likes very simple things. She normally likes a room to be very plain, but I think her mom and my wife, Rupana, the main interior designer of the home, wanted a princely theme. So each rose is about a porcelain. It is not plastic or something. It's a porcelain, and the leaves are brass. And this is the small balcony or a sit out facing the road. And then we have a small tucked in puja. It is an open puja, northeast corner. And this is the drawing area, the formal living area in the ground floor, which is double height. So this is the family lounge on the first floor. And here we have all the home laundry. And then when it comes to my son, his design brief was he wanted a lot of LED and he likes colors. And but again the room palette he wanted in veneer wood, and then he wanted a playing pod or separate space to have his friends and all, away from the bed. So then we thought, okay, let's make his room a duplay within itself. We have the stairs here leading to the upper level, and then we have the bed and toilet on the upper level. This floor, we have a small double height just to have that kind of connectivity from 2 floors, from the top floor to bottom. And then here we have his workstation for study, and then his playstations here. So moving on to the second floor, this staircase leads up and it comes here, and then this is the lift leading to all floors, and this is the passage. And then here we have a bridge connecting the house from this part to another part. So this is the cutout, and we have a skylight above. This passage opens up to the front terrace. We grow organic vegetables in this area, and I think most of the vegetables we get from what we eat we get from our own home. Second floor of the sunroom, as I said, this is a cutout, then the steps leads, and then he has a lavish toilet here, and then this toilet is open, only the shower and WCs are closed, and then he has a skylight on the wash basin. Then we designed a wardrobe with a bed back, so it opens up to wardrobe here, and that becomes a bed back from this side. Inside the toilet we had marble in some part, and then the walls are all crystal onyx, where we embedded LED lights, small LED lights. And then once we come up here, and then this is the lounge area. We get down here 2 steps, and then we move to the home gym. And then from home gym we have a nice covered sit-out having views of the behind park. We have a very good panoramic view of the city from these 2 rooms. And then here we have our home spa. The lower ground we have home theatre, and a small bar with a powder room tucked in here. We have a small staircase leading towards the down, and then we have our NR house logos here, and then we have the lift here. Like this space we have used it for server room, and then we have a large store here. Entry from the lift, you can enter the home theatre. So this is our screen, and then we have the home theatre seating here. We have a stepped up here. So this stepped up area, I have a large bar storage, and then a bar counter. I had an old Lambretta in my hometown. It was about 1912, I think. Then we got it refurbished, and then here we use some kind of brass metal. We use black marble. The overall theme of home theatre is fully black. We wanted to have something on the wall. At the same time, it should not be a disturbing factor while watching the screen. So then we all decided to get a nice zebra, a large size zebra embroidered on the panels. We have never done this before, exposed concrete ceilings with again designs embedded in the ceilings. We made a small dummy slab, and then we tried a lot of cements, like we tried different kinds of cements which would give us more whiteness. And then the next challenge was how to do, how not to have any lines. Even if you use plywood shuttering, normally you see a line in the ceiling at 8 feet or 4 feet intervals. So here we tried another method. We went to our old kind of building where village homes, where we used cow dung, and then we used molds, so we don't see any kind of lines. It's very clean. Every room has a different kind of design in the concrete. And we wanted to do sustainability with luxury. Our aim was also have at least minimum gold rating from IGBC. We followed the norms, and then we achieved platinum rating for this building. How much you are saving energy, like how much consumption of energy, how much you are saving, all that comes. Water, it can be anything. So that way they rate us. So when it is like about 50 to 60%, it is rated as silver, and then around 70% it is gold, and then anything above 80-85% is platinum, which is highly rated. And at the same time, ventilation, reduce the heat. See, giving large openings like this again is a problem for sustain, but again we need to have kind of cantilevered shading devices, where we can cut the direct heat into the home. Energy efficient glasses like double glazed glasses to reduce the heat, at the same time give a lot of light into the home. We can make a bold statement saying luxury meets sustainability in our house.